Hello and welcome to this episode of Market Kya Lagta Hai. Today is Wednesday 6th of September and we are here for a midweek analysis. As you can see, Nifty is stronger as compared to Bank Nifty, but at the same time Bank Nifty is also moving in a little slower pace as compared to Nifty. Primarily for Nifty, it is above semi-annual pivot, the level of 19,410, and for Bank Nifty, it is still below semi-annual pivot level, which is 44,995. So the first target, first challenge for Bank Nifty will be to reach to the level of 44,995. Let me just quickly take you to the Nifty chart. And here on this Nifty chart, we had calculated last week, we had calculated the target level of 19,608 and 19,697. Now these targets eventually they will get completed. The major change that we have seen in recent time is that Bank Nifty expiry is going to fall on Wednesday and Nifty expiry is going to be on Thursdays. So again there is going to be some disharmony in both these indices. So the data maintaining and lot many other things, they are going to get affected, and it will be difficult for a pair traders. Let's say someone who's trading Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So the calculation will be little different for these kind of traders. But newer things, changes will get adapted. Traders is one such breed, such type of professionals. Generally they get adapted to whatever change you throw at them, and I'm sure all the traders will get adapted to this new regime, new changes, and then it will be very easy for us to tackle with this Bank Nifty expiry on Wednesday and Nifty expiry on Thursday. But just allow few weeks to settle this change, and let's see how it goes from there. First and foremost, on a Nifty chart, we had discussed about Dow theory changes above this level of 19,585. So let it close above this level. It has not yet closed above this, and once it closes above this, then this downtrend will no longer be a downtrend and it will change to an uptrend. So once it changes, then this 19,608 target is easily possible, and from there this next target of 19,700 is also possible. Now somewhere around next week or so, we should get past this 19,700 level. It will be interesting to see how quickly we negotiate this level, because looking at yesterday's action, though Nifty was not as bearish as Bank Nifty, but then still it was kind of a consolidated day or a spinning top kind of a day, which has not given us a confidence to be in this trade with a better, bigger position sizing. Now we need to break out above 19,585, and then eventually it should go above to conquer these targets. At this point in time on this hourly chart, the level of 19,525 will be our trailing stop loss. If someone is trailing the stop loss in profit, then this is going to be the level where one should watch. This is going to be TSL if you are carrying your positions overnight. So this is the level. If this level is broken, then you can book your position. Otherwise you can stay in the trade. At this time, what I have observed, what I am doing is that instead of trading in options, I am sticking to futures trade, and that futures trade is with a hedged position. So I have hedged it with 19,300 put option. So the trade is going in a better way. So this is one part of Nifty, right? So in this week we are seeking target of 19,600 and 19,700 level. As for Bank Nifty, if you see, Bank Nifty key components are still not performing, and that precisely is the reason why Bank Nifty is struggling or slow moving. And this typically happens. HDFC Bank is not performing, ICICI Bank is not at all performing, even Axis Bank is not performing. So these are the key component which are in a way making it difficult for Bank Nifty to give a euphoric kind of a move. At the same time, if you take a look, the Dow theory change level again comes to somewhere around this 45,100, or you can consider semi-annual pivot as a Dow theory change level, because once we break above semi-annual pivot level, then the next target is possible, which is 45,360, and then from there the next target will be 45,842. The major target that I'm expecting in this month will be around 46,000 level, but it is too early to say or talk about this target unless and until we are above the semi-annual pivot. So first target for me will be semi-annual pivot. One of these 2 days, today's or tomorrow's day, should be trending day, and we should get a good move in that direction. So let's wait patiently or try and trade in futures. So let's take a look at the stocks. This is a weekly chart of HDFC Bank. On HDFC Bank, as long as the low of last week is being held, one can consider that this can be a higher low level, and from this level we should get some bounce. It's a slow moving uptrend that is happening right now. It has to break above the high of 1603, and once it is above 1604, then it should start moving in an upwardly manner. But right now it is a very slow moving kind of a scenario that we can see in case of a HDFC Bank. Reliance Industries, again, looks like a higher low is in place. So these are the stop losses level one can consider, and by taking this stop loss into account, one can consider going long in these counters. Targets would be moderate. Let's say whatever fall that we have seen, it should be 50% of this fall. First target should be 50% of the fall. If it sustains up to 50% level, then and only then we will look for the next further bullish targets. So HDFC Bank, Reliance, they are still struggling, not giving a very good move. ICICI is in a way stronger as compared to both these stocks that we have seen, HDFC Bank and Reliance. So the target for ICICI Bank can go, so target for ICICI Bank is about 992 odd level. This is what the expectation is. This can take a while. It may get completed in this particular month, or maybe it can take some more time. At this point, it is just consolidating and yet to break out above this particular range. So that breakout is important, that breakout is crucial. So this slow moving action, something like this, can be taken over by this trending move, this kind of a trending move, and then the target will get completed as expected. If we take a look at Kotak Bank is also forming a bottom and a higher low from this bottom. So probability is that it should give us a move in an upward direction. As long as it is not crossing 1800 odd level, don't be overly bullish on this stock. Once it crosses above 1800 level, that 1800 level, above 1800, then it should give us good up move. I have created an alert. Once it crosses this level, then we'll be able to observe this. Infi in a way is a lone warrior in this entire phase, and we had identified this in the month of July when Nifty was correcting. This was the time Infosys and TCS, both these stocks, they are moving in an upwardly manner, so it is going good. Once it breaks above this 1500 odd level, then it should start showing us some kind of a momentum. Similarly, TCS is maintaining the bullish structure. It is maintaining the bullish structure very well. It has spent a lot of time in this consolidation correction while Nifty was also correcting. And since the Nifty has stopped correcting and started to take a bounce, TCS has also started to take a bounce. But Infosys for a shorter period of time is outperformer as compared to rest of the Ritik stocks. It's something that I want you to note down. State Bank of India, if we take a look at State Bank of India, it is at a respectable level but consolidating, going in a slow moving manner. So unless until a breakout happens above 581, I will not be very aggressively bullish. See, what is happening here is that none of these Ritik stocks, they are contributing. So because they are not contributing, the indices are having a sluggish kind of a move. So we have to be cautious, wait and watch kind of a scenario has to be there. Interestingly, this level of 1000 is very important for Axis Bank. If this breakout happens, then this will be one of the first stock in which are index heavyweight, which will give us a move which is higher, like it is already at a 52-week high level, so it will be a 52-week breakout above 1000 level, and that will be a good level to go, because this is a purely outperformer stock with respect to, let's say, HDFC Bank, which has made a high and currently trading at a lower level from that higher level, or ICICI Bank very close to all-time high but still about 3-4% below than those levels. So understand this outperformance of Axis Bank. Then Larsen and Toubro, so it is at an all-time high level, very close to all-time highs, very strong movement it is showing. So let us wait for a breakout, and then above breakout it should give some kind of fireworks is what my expectation is. This is all about the Ritik stocks. Bajaj is not part of this Ritik, so I have not considered this in this particular analysis. I have not made a great analysis or something like that, but just taking a cue about index movement. So whatever index movements we are expecting, which stock are going to contribute, unless and until these breakouts do not happen, that contribution will not be there. But then keep a close eye. The bias is very bullish, so there has to be a day when the breakout happen and market starts moving in an upwardly manner, a very quick up move that is possible. So the target of 19,600 and above are possible in a real time, and similarly a 45,500, 1,000 point move from here in Bank Nifty is on the card. First target will be 45,000 as per the SAP levels. So this is the quick update from me in the midweek analysis. Hope you like this episode. Just let me know in the comment box how helpful the regular updates are for you, and also do let me know if I can cover some more topics which you like or which probably you have some questions on. Thank you so much guys. I'm signing off. Bye bye.